Hey there, my millionaire divas. It's your girl, Miss Millionaire Peters, coming right back at you. Yes, today I'm doing it Afro style. I'm going back to my roots. So this look was inspired, I don't have a specific name, but I was scrolling through my my Pinterest and I saw a photograph with a young lady. She had afro, but it was like all afro, and then her back was turned and then she had the power sign, you know, and I was like, that is so cute. And I decided that I have a big event, so I decided that, hey, I just want to do something quick and easy that's gonna last me at least a week, 2 weeks before my event. So I was like, okay, let's do it. So my hair is natural right now. It actually was going out of a pixie cut, so it's like 7 months old from a perm pixie cut. So I decided I'm gonna just do this, and I know that a lot of my transitioning naturalistas would love this look. Even if you're not a natural person, then it's a beautiful protective style. I would warn you though that this hair is not the easiest to deal with, but it's beautiful. So if you want to see how I achieve this wonderful Afro funk, then stay tuned, and thank you all for watching. Thank you to all of my new subscribers and the one that are already officially in the family. If you are not and you are watching this video, I will suggest that you subscribe now and click the little beautiful little bell so that you can receive new videos each and every week from me, of course. God bless. Bye. My hair is already braided back in 7 braids, and we are about to start this crochet. The hair that I'm using today is the CUEVANNA bounce, and the brand is OUTRE. The number that I'm using is number 1, and I bought 3 packs from my local beauty supply store. However, there are online suppliers that sells this hair, and I'm going to also attach it into the description bar so that you can purchase it. The tools that you need is a white tooth comb, a scissors, and a crochet pin. You also will need a blow dryer with a diffuser on the end. If you don't have this, then you would have to purchase it separately so that it can attach to your blow dryer. And the reason I'm using this is so that if you have natural hair, or your hair is wet and you would like to dry your hair but you would like to keep the shape of your hair, this is the reason why I'm using this. So I'm also gonna use mousse, and it is in the APH Agri brand as well. So I'm now removing the braid, and the braid consists of 16 pieces. I think it's 16 pieces in the pack, and I'm going to show you. I started out using the braid as is, and then as I go on the top, I split the braid into 2 pieces so that I can have a more full look. And also I thought I was running out of braid, so that's the reason why I splitted some of the braid into on the top portion. So continue looking as I continue.
Trying to forget you, I'm all alone in a ghost town. There's a beautiful madness inside my soul, and I can't stop thinking of you, walking on the lonely avenue. Are you, are you, are you?
I had forgot to mention that I braided my hair with non-acrylic red heart yarn. I do not use braid to braid my hair. The reason for this, again, because I explained this in my previous video, but I'm gonna explain it now because I know that I have newcomers basically for almost each and every video. The reason I use this is because it does not put any tension on the hair, and it pulls the hair together tightly but not a tension on your scalp, okay? And it doesn't make your hair heavy as well. I'm going to allow you to just watch and see what I'm doing without explaining, because you basically can see clearly exactly what I'm doing, okay? This is a section where I split the braid into two, and then I'm going to install it. Now what I did on the two sections on the left and the right, what I did, because I know I want to be able to pat my hair on both sides, instead of installing the crochet as the regular knot, I did the invisible, where instead of pulling through the whole braid, all I did was pull through one piece, and that would give me an invisible braid, which would actually hide the knot of the crochet. I did this in a previous video in a client transformation, so here you are having the opportunity for me to actually show you again. So I did this on the braid, the two braids that is on the left and that is on the right, that I will be able to pat my hair. I didn't do it for the middle section. For the middle section, all I did was continue doing the regular crochet.
We get lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now the things go wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me cloud.
is how the hair looks fully before I go in and cut and shape it and do all the good stuff to it.
Never let you go. Give me your love.
All I'm doing now is shaping up the hair to frame my face, and I do not want the hair to be touching my neck. I don't really need it long, so I'm just going to shape it up and cut off all the frizzy ends and stuff like that.
We can get high, because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We roll the road, just you and I. To let me down, we walk the line. But now nothing's gone wrong, I take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your
I'm using Gots to Be glue gel to basically mold my edges.
give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love. Give me your love. Give me your love. Give me your love. Never let you go.
And when you finish moussing your hair or wetting it, then this is the section where you would diffuse it to make sure that it's dry but you do not lose your curls and that it stays in place and give it more volume. Thank you ladies for watching once again. I do hope that you enjoy this video. If you make it to the end of this video and you still have not subscribed, I suggest that you subscribe so that you can officially join our Millionaire Divas family. Welcome on board to all of the new subscribers. Thank you guys for watching again. Always remember, I love you guys. God bless. And don't forget to share, like, comment. Thank you.
Through my window, I see my chick. Nobody cares how we make it through the day. It's like the only thing them believe at it. Nobody want to smile cause them no receive a check, boy. It's a turn out the fire can't contain. Now give me a shot cause nobody give me a chain. Now sell my soul just for a drastic change. I mean I move fake just like no plastic range. Through tribulation, I and I remain, and I hope you could do the same. One hand in the sky, the other on your chest. We never gonna rest till everybody bless. Make sure say everybody bless. Yeah, yeah. Mess up one hand in the sky, the other on your chest. And we never gonna rest till everybody bless. We make sure say everybody bless. Yeah, yeah. Everybody bless. Tell me whatever. Whatever happened to the youth in the streets? Them say you never come around and now you never lend a hand. You criticize them lifestyle like you don't understand, no. We lost away. Must be a business, so the youths them just a pass away. Them blast the Kellys and